Good morning and happy Monday. Welcome to week 8. This is our last week before spring break. I've really enjoyed reading your career research projects. I've responded to all of them. A few of you were missing a couple key sections and resubmitted them, and I'll start working through those today. So this week I'm not giving you any additional media, but I would like all of you to meet with a reference librarian, either by chat or go in, make a phone call. Go in and talk to a librarian about your topic and identify some sources of material that are going to be really important for your paper and start reading them. So you're directing your own reading this week. You should note that next week you're going to submit 2 source summaries and reviews, and you should be using these materials that you're working to identify and start reading this week. By Friday, you're going to submit a purpose statement for your paper. And I hope that you're noticing through our workshops that when the purpose of the writing is clear, the writing is better. It's easier to organize. The goals for the reader are more clear. So I'm just asking you to write me about a half a page, double-spaced, explaining the purpose of your essay. Ask yourself, what do you want to accomplish for your readers, and a little bit about why. And then I've also submitted the work for the small group workshop, so you can find your group, and then you're going to work together in that document to let us know what the writer's doing well, what they can do to improve, what kinds of questions that you have about that piece, and if you want me to respond directly, tag me in that question, and what makes the piece interesting. I've also included your groups down below. Go ahead and get started on this earlier in the week, please, so your group members have the benefit of seeing your response in addition to their own. That's how we grow as writers. Next week is spring break, so get your work done this week and then take some time off over the break to rest and get ready for the end of the semester. Take care, everyone. I'll be in my regular office hours this week. Swing by if you have any questions.